So hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we learn how to make a, a, a ball catching game. Okay, so first I will delete this and I will add a new sprite. So wait for some time as this sprite library takes some time to load, and now it is loading. Yes, now it is working. Okay. First, we are making an apple catching game, not a ball catching game. But you can add a ball also. But I'll add a cat. You can call it a catching game. Okay, so this is yeah. So I'll just do some normal things. Um, we'll go first. We'll go to events. When track clicked, then go to control forever. So we only want the basket to move left or right and not move up or down. Okay, so we'll just keep it over here. This is fine. And forever, uh, if then right left, no, yes. So if key right arrow pressed, then it will move 10 steps to the right. Okay, move like some steps to the right. So we will not do move 10 steps, we will change x by 10. Okay, so these two do the same thing. Move 10 steps moves the so we they don't do the same thing. So what I'm doing over here is just change x by 10. So it will change x by 10. As I can see here, these are the x and y values. For example, if I keep my mouse pointer over here, x is 12. If I move to the right, the x is increasing. So what it will do is it will change the x by 10, which means the bowl would move in the right. And if left arrow key press, then it will change x by minus 10, because whenever we move to the left, the things go in minus, right? So this is 7. If we move to the left, things are going to the minus. So this will make it go to the left. So let's just do a test run. So as you can see, it is working. Yes. And one more thing, as you can see, if it is on the edge, the bowl is going through the edge, right? So to fix this problem, okay, and one more, yes. So first I'll do if on edge bounds. So I'm putting in the forever loop, but not in the if then loop, if then if condition. Okay, so if we put this if on edge bounds, it if whenever it touches the edge, it will bounce, and uh, when flagged is clicked, it will go to x2 and y minus 22, which is the current position of the bowl. Okay, so I'll also change the backdrop. So choose backdrop from library. Okay, so let it load. I'll use blue sky backdrop. Okay, yes, that's loaded. Okay, so as you can see, this is the backdrop. I'll just delete this costume backdrop, and now this is the backdrop. Okay, now we need apple to fall randomly for some apples to randomly fall from the sky. Okay, and new sprite. I will take where's my apple. Okay, so I double click on it to add it. This is the apple. So I'll just minimize it a little bit. Oh, this is fine. Okay, so first what I'll do, is that the apple will go to the top. Okay, when flag linked, it will go to, for example, how is y 202? I'll just change it. Yes, 202. So it still isn't hiding. I'll do 300. Okay, so it isn't hiding. So what we can do? Uh, don't need to do this. Okay, so first we'll do when flag clicked, hide. Okay, when flag clicked, hide. We'll put hide. So the apple would hide. Okay, and hide. It will then create clone of itself because we want multiple apples to fall from the ground. Okay, so I'll do wait 1 second and create clone of myself because we want some interval so the apples don't come together. Okay, and then we'll go to control. When I start as a clone, okay, when I start as a clone, it will go to x the top. It will first show itself. Okay, it will first go to it will go when it's first it will go to x. First I'll choose the y value. Okay, I'll choose 1 for example. So will it work? So, yes. So the apple isn't hiding. We can do 180 for now. I know how to fix it, but I'll see if without fixing it it will work. Okay. And for the x value, we want it to randomly generate from here to here. So this is minus 240. This is 240 in x value, and this is minus 240 in x value. Okay, so we'll use the pick random value over here. We'll do pick random from 240 to minus 240. Okay, so what it will do is that it will the apple will go to here or here, any random value from here to here. Okay, and then it will show, and uh, it will change y. Okay, y value is the value which is this you can see minus 180 46, so it is the vertical value. It will change y by minus 10 minus 5. Okay, so because if we go down the y value decreases. So let me check if this works. So that's it. Oh, okay, okay, I got it. So I didn't put a forever loop over here because the apples need to keep generating and generating, and I'll put a forever loop over here also. Now this should work. Okay, so sorry, this shouldn't be in the forever loop, this should be in the forever loop. Why aren't they coming down? Okay, okay, this should be forever, and now this should, yes, now it is working. Yes, the thing why is the bowl, why is the bowl create a thing? So I'll just do point in direction 90 because it just turned upside down, and this should work. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, so if it touches the edge, it turns upside down. This is because we have done rotational style. So it will rotate, the bowl can rotate, but now this is the linear style. Now the bowl will only go left and right. It cannot turn upside down. Okay, now this should work. Uh, yes, now it is working. Okay, as you can see, if the bowl touches the apple, nothing happens. So to fix this, so to do this, what we'll do is that forever in the forever loop only, if if touching apple, Okay. Okay. If touching bowl, not apple, sorry. If 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 the apple touches the bowl, it will hide itself first of all, and where is the hide? Yes, this is right. It will hide itself. Okay, and we'll create a new variable score. Okay, what is the score? Uh, so for all sprites. So first, when flag is clicked, it will set score to 0, and when the apple touches the bowl, it will change score by 1. Okay, and if the wait a if if the apple touches the edge, which means the bowl couldn't catch it, then it will change score by -1, so it will decrease the score. -1. Okay, now this should work. I'll just change this. Okay, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point, yes, 7 point, 8 point, 9 point, 10 point, 11 point, 12 point, 13 points, 14 points, 15 points, 16 points, 17. So I'll let the apple go down. So as you can see, the apple didn't hide. Okay. Sorry, yes, sorry. This should be if touching edge. Okay. Oh, oh, sorry. Yes, I got it. So what is happening over here? If the when the apple comes down, it is touching the edge. So it will. So we cannot use touching edge over here. We will use this. If touching edge, y minus 180. If touching, uh, if y position equals 180. Okay, minus 180. Sorry. If y position equals minus 180, and duplicate, and we put this value. If x position, okay, there is my x position. If x position equals, we'll take the random which we took over here. Okay, while the apple is coming any from the any x value over here. Okay, so if x position equal pick random 240 to minus 240, and wait, yes, this should work, I guess. I don't, I guess it will work, but I'm not sure. Okay, 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 okay. This is working. If it is the edge, points aren't decreasing. If x position, if x position equals, uh, if y position equals minus 180 and x position equals, mm, wait a second, if x position equals, oh yes, I got it, I got it. So if x position equals, where is my, if x position equals, wait a second, couldn't find, I cannot find the block. X position, yes, if x position equals x position of apple, okay, then it will hide and change color management. Now this should work. Okay, so this isn't working. Uh, okay, so y position equal minus 180. I read, I got, and x position of x position equals, yes, I can simplify this. I'll just create a new slide. Where is my red line? Okay, so I know it has been a lot of time. Okay, so what I'll do is I will create a line, red line over here. Okay, this is the straight. Okay, wait a second. I'll make its width as low as possible so that the user can't see it. Wait a second. Okay, so this is the red line. I want it to go over here. Motion. Go to when flag clicked. I can barely touch it. The X position is fine. I want to change the Y position. Go to X 0 and Y 0, I guess. I'll just check it. So sorry for taking a lot of time. -10, -20. Okay, so -20 is fine. So what? This is easy. We don't need to do all of this. We can just do if. So if touching sprite 1, that will hide and change for the minus. Okay. So yes, now this should work. So the score is going in -1, so it is working as expected. Okay. Now, okay. So fine. So now it is working. Okay. Yes. Now it is working. So the user can go on endlessly playing this game, and we'll just do it in forever loop, and I'll do this. Wait 2 seconds and increase the and decrease the bowl speed to 5, -5 and 5. Now let's see. Okay, as you can see, the bowl is moving slowly, and okay. Oh, yeah, yes, good. So yes, now this is working. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.